Hi there, good morning guys. So basically where are we going right now? We are going to 01, that is near about Kalyani Nagar, 3.3 kilometer near about Kalyani Nagar. So why are we going there? So our passport is getting renewed today. So today is appointment at like 9:05. So we are right now it's 7 o'clock. So we are 2 hours earlier. Yes, because appointment can't be rescheduled if you want to reschedule the required cost. So this is what it is. Good morning. So I love this stairs. Good morning. It is going to be so awesome, and it's like 7 o'clock exactly right now. The views will be fantastic. As well as it's a good morning. It's a nice morning. It's a cloudy. It's a fresh. It's not a cloudy environment. It's fresh environment. Today the environment will be fabulous. The metro is waiting here. Hold on, hold on. Signing off. Dude, वो जो पीछे का mountain दिख रहा है, on that mountain we gone for trekking. I mean, look at that. We missed today's trek. We have came here for passport seva. This is 01. We are entering now. Let's see how it goes. So after coming here, I asked ChatGPT, and yes, she told that we need a PAN card, we need an Aadhaar card, we need a passport size photo, and we have got every single thing in this. And just we need also a Xerox copy of this. So we'll head out and we'll take a Xerox copy of that. We need to be prepared first. This is our drawback. We'll definitely improve this. So we have taken the printouts of the Aadhaar card, PAN card and driving license. वैसे तो लगेगा नहीं because everything is there, and original भी documents है. वो बोले 10 का भी लगता है, but let's see how it goes. Dude, I forgot to take the photocopy of this passport, and this is seriously needed, and how I can forgive this. So we are again heading towards the Xerox shop for the passport photography. And the post I have uploaded, that is guess what, that actually means this. We are heading towards somewhere, to know stadium. So we finally came with the Xerox of passport as well. Now we are having a sufficient document. How we can forgive this? Dude, एक update. अभी अपना रिपोर्टिंग टाइम था, बट इशू अंदर शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ है. सो it's being delayed. Let's see how it goes. बहुत भीड़ है dude. 15 minutes पहले इतने नहीं थे. Let me track the time as well. It's 8:45 right now. अभी वो late लेने वाले हैं. So we need to show that we need to have a proof that yes, we are here at our reporting time. But the issue is this is a proof. इधर वो तो पासपोर्ट का सब हो गया. बस एक रह गया कि एजुकेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी लगते हैं, वो होल्ड पे रख दिए. तो सारे के सारे एजुकेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स मोस्टली 10वीं का मार्कशीट से भी हो जाता है. बट वी नीड टू कीप द प्रोफाइल ऑन होल्ड. सो until next 3 months I can go any time from 9 to 11. Make sure it's 9 to 11 only. So this is what it is. Signing off. I need to find a metro to go to home. So I'm walking for like 2.6 kilometer from passport.
Turn right toward Ghorpadi Road.
Passport office to Kalyani Nagar metro station. That is the closest metro station from this office. After sitting in the metro station, directly going to Vanas, that is our sister house where I'm living right now. So it is what it is. Signing off. Enjoy. After that we have to go to office. Dude, वॉकिंग में जो मज़ा है ना, वो गाड़ी में नहीं, ना रिक्शा में नहीं है, ना कैब में नहीं है. You wanna see this? See this beautiful view, dude. और गाड़ी वो रिक्शा में से व्यू ये फील भी नहीं होगा. The view is awesome, dude. That's why I prefer always for walking rather than just taking cab or doing rickshaw or something like that. And also it's quick. Also it saves money. That is number one thing. I love this. So, heading off. Dude, these trees are really immersing. This, what we can say. Have you ever walked like this? Huh? Like with this close to the plant? Have you ever walked? No, of course not. What? I mean, we just sitting with a TV or some electronic like phone or like laptop, but walking beside trees is just fabulous. Look at this too. Look at this. It's awesome, yaar. Yes, it's awesome. I know this. Signing off. And here, so much. Actually, there is a rich mentality here. A lot rich. Look at the houses. Look at this hotel. Imagine how people are getting rich over here. I definitely agree that this people will be of IT or somewhere like a manager or having a business, because these three things right now is paying a lot. Business, trading and IT. Any field, not any field, good field of IT is paying a lot. That seriously means a lot. Dude, I love this place. We are going to purchase house here? Of course not. New York is our target. I crossed that road to come here and guess what? But यहाँ पे बंद हो गया. Literally scam हुआ है dude. I crossed the road just to go with the footpath. And footpath ही नहीं. ये सामने है तो थोड़ा सा डिस्कस हुआ है footpath. But we will accept that. Dude, रास्ता क्रॉस किया फुटपाथ के लिए, फुटपाथ से चलने के लिए, एंड फुटपाथ ही नहीं है वहाँ पे, मतलब आगे जाके लगे ब्रोक. So this is what is adventure. This is what I'm saying. You will not get in a cab or not get this in rickshaw or something like that. You have to walk. You have to experience this. You can, and walking is like you can experience the beauty of this. You can smell. You can stay on this place for a lot of time. Plus your health is also important. Plus money also safe. I said this earlier. Signing off. See the traffic jam and see me. I'm so enjoying here. And लोगों को बहुत बोर हो रही है traffic jam में. I love walking now. I'm getting this. Plus let me come into a point. We have our trades are going well. We have turn up the oh my god, look at that building. Overreaction. Let's come to the point. अब हम लोगों ने trading, our trades are going so well like anything. We are the first challenge where we were lost in $150. Now we are just in a loss like $5 to $10. We have covered up like $140 using our current strategy, and still I believe that in next 2 weeks we will be in a profit, and a profit like a lot. You will just wait for our numbers. And also on our real account we have invested like $400. We have grown that account up to 300% by using my own strategy, and it's awesome. It's going very good right now. Also it's in profit. Whew. Now it's like 2,100. The rain started coming. Oh yeah, सब अपडेट दे रहा हूँ ना. आज बहुत ही कुछ हो रहा है. आज मेरे को I'm happy like anything, just because all the things are getting in line with my dreams. But अभी मैं umbrella open करूँ या ना करूँ, I'm still confused because I'm loving to be. Oh, बहुत रेन बढ़ गई. I have to open. Dude, ये अम्ब्रेला खोलते मैं ऑलमोस्ट भीग गया हूँ, एंड बारिश बहुत कम हो गई. तो अम्ब्रेला ओपन करने का है नहीं करने का, जब बारिश पड़ेगी then we'll open it, right? Dude, बहुत बारिश बढ़ गई है मेरे पीछे. The view is awesome like anything, and सामने का भी व्यू एक नंबर है. But I love this view. अरे wow, the view is awesome, but my chhatri is seriously not awesome. कभी भी फ्लिप होती है, उल्टी हो जाती है। मैं रखता हूँ। अरे अरे वो रहा मेट्रो स्टॉप। वी फाइनली केम अप, सॉरी मेकअप टू द, आ ही नहीं रहा है मेट्रो। फाइनली मेकअप टू द, नहीं रहे, फाइनली रीच टू मेट्रो स्टॉप एंड the rain was awesome dude. You really want to see that video? I will definitely post it. वो लिफ्ट बंद थी, ध्यान में रखो कल्याणी नगर का लिफ्ट बंद है, आई मीन अंडर मेंटेनेंस है, तो इसलिए गोइंग। ड्यूड क्या एडवेंचर था एक्चुअली। एडवेंचर ये एडवेंचर करने के लिए अपने पास टाइम नहीं है, बट पासपोर्ट ऑफिस पे जाना था ना, तो इसलिए वी डिड इट। So we'll get back to work. We have a lot of things to do. First thing first is like dude, we have finally come to metro stop and जैसे ही हम लोग यहाँ पे आए, वो मेट्रो यहाँ पे लगे डोर बंद हो गया। मेट्रो वॉज वेटिंग बट डोर लगे ऑफ हो गया एंड मेट्रो गॉन, सो वी हैव टू वेट लाइक 5 to 4 minutes more. Yes, every 11 minutes there is a metro. 2 hours. Signing off. Hey there. Damn.
Next station. Please mind the
Now
gap.
it's good. No. Dude, we are in the metro. And really, if you see, we can see the tiltness of the metro. So good. But we don't feel that. But if we see, we can see. There's a lot of rain going on behind me. We'll enjoy the views. Signing off. Hi there. So I have just walked like 1.5 kilometers to come here from my house. So our bus is coming. I'm so tired like anything right now because I जैसे मैं घर पे पहुंचा, वैसे मैंने खाना खाया and I slept like for 22 minutes or lesser than that. That's the reason वो मेरे को बहुत धूल उड़ाते चली गई यार, तो मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रही है। I just after I woke up I was like, oh no, I don't want to go to office, but then I realized this is my last week and I can just lay off, even though eventually even I don't go to office, I have to wake up just to do my own business stuff. So this is what it is, dude. Still we will sleep for some minutes after sitting into bus because I'm so sleepy like anything. Signing off.